Achieving a 10x return on cryptocurrency investments is challenging and it comes with significant risk. One strategy is to invest in undervalued projects. Look for lesser known coins with strong fundamentals or innovative technology that have potential growth. So, participating in ICOs or IDOs can also offer early access to promising tokens at lower prices, but it's crucial to thoroughly vet these products. So, another approach is leveraging trading, which can amplify returns but also increase the risk. This is not generally recommended for inexperienced traders. All right. So, staking and yield farming can generate passive income by earning rewards for staking coins or providing liquidity on DeFi platforms. So that's going to significantly increase your investment over time. Holding on to high potential cryptocurrencies through market volatility can also lead to substantial returns as the market matures. Now, timing the market by buying during corrections or dips and selling during bull runs is another method. Though it does require careful analysis, staying informed by following market trends, news, developments in the crypto space is essential. Engaging with communities and forums to gain insights, that's also very essential. So always remember that high returns come with high risk. Invest only what you can afford to lose and basically consider to diversify your portfolio.